Hi everyone, Dr. Remy from Pain Free and Fit. Today we're going to be going over 3 of the most common mistakes I see when training clients and patients in the leg extension exercise that leads to low back and knee injury. Hope you enjoy. The first mistake we see with seated leg extensions is sitting too far back on the seat, which encourages the loss of the arch of the lower back. To correct this and improve the mechanics of the disc and prevent low back injury, scoot the hips forward on the seat and increase the arch of the lower back as the upper back rests against the backrest of the machine. The second most common mistake seen during the leg extension exercise is excessive knee internal rotation during the lift. This is exhibited with a toe-in posture as the exercise is performed. To correct this, straighten the feet at the bottom so they are aligned straight ahead, and either keep them straight or slightly externally rotated with toes out as the weight is raised and locked out at the top. And then internally rotate to a straight ahead posture as the weight is lowered. The third most common problem during leg extensions is a lateral tracking kneecap. Whereas the exercise is performed, the kneecap moves outwards away from the midline of the body. This can be felt by splitting your finger contact and feeling both the outer and inner upper edges of the kneecap during the exercise. As the exercise is performed, if you notice more tension against your outer finger, it indicates that your outer thigh or vastus lateralis quad muscles have become more dominant than your inner or vastus medialis muscles. This causes the kneecap to move outwards from its normal groove, opening the potential risk of injury to the knee. To correct this, isometrically tense your kneecap inwards towards your inner finger as you perform the exercise. You should not roll your thigh as you do this, but simply tense the kneecap inwards as if trying to move your inner finger towards the midline of your body. Maintain this tension throughout the exercise, and this will help to keep better alignment in your knee and decrease your chances of knee injury. So check for these mistakes in your own training and when training your clients if you're a personal trainer. Make the necessary corrections to avoid low back and knee injury during the leg extension exercise. Remember to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great videos out there to help you with your training. Give me a thumbs up to help share this valuable information with others. And remember, if you're looking for a program to analyze your body mechanics, help avoid injury, and strengthen your body against injuries, be it the back, neck, shoulder, knee, check out all the programs we have for healing exercises and analysis available at painfreeandfit.com.